Okay, so Nick's F-350 is finished. Well, at least stage one of the build is finished. The fit and finish is amazing. Chris Pate and his team and MTI Acoustics always do a great job. The vinyl is an exact match. The fitment is perfect. I even had a question this weekend, and Chris answered the phone for me on Sunday. So you can't beat that tech support. He walked me through the orientation of the brackets. So this thing pounds. It's overkill for this truck, but of course anybody that knows Nick has to overdo everything that he does. He did it on the MURDUALLY Jeep. Now the MURDUALLY, of course, has to be ridiculously over the top. I told him that we're gonna go with 2 flat 10s. Let him get on the phone with Chris Pate, and he ended up with 4 full-size, high-power, 8-inch subwoofers. So of course it required a 2.5-inch seat lift. So in true Nick fashion, this thing is overkill, but also in Nick fashion, it is beautifully done, well executed. Fit and finish is beautiful, and a nightmare for me because I'm the one that has to make it all work and make it all functional, but it's all right. Keeps me on my toes. Check how this looks and sounds. Beautiful fit and finish. I feel bad for the backseat passengers. Angle's perfect. Sound Digital Nano 3000. All right, let's move some air. This is